Hi, this is Kevin Weiss with Sway 360. In this video, I'll be showing you how to navigate your dashboard. So here we are on the Sway 360 landing page. First, we need to log in. Select Login, put in your credentials, your email and password, click Login again, and it will bring you to your dashboard. Now there's a lot of things you can do from your dashboard, and this will take you to the many different resources and features that we have built into the platform. What I'm going to do in this video is just give you kind of an overview of everything you can access. So I'm going to break it down into three parts: the bottom of the page, the center, and the top. We're actually going to start from the bottom and go up. So here at the bottom you'll see it says classes. This gives you a snapshot view of all the classes you have as a teacher. You can see the class names, grade levels, total students in each class. You can view student details. If I click view, I can see all the students I have in that class, and I can even assign more students to that class if I want to. You can also see any scheduled classes you have. So I can see in my third period science class that I have an upcoming class today. And you can actually launch and start your call right from the dashboard. If you want to create a new class, you can also do that here as well. So this again gives you a quick view of all the classes you have as a teacher. In the center of the page, you'll see all the activities and assets that you have. So it kind of breaks it down tab by tab. So in this first one, you can see all of your virtual class sessions. So I can see this one, and it gives a little bit more information than it does at the bottom. It talks about the duration and then the status of the class and how many attendees. You have all of your assignments that you've given out to your students, assessments. And then you can also see all of the students that you have under your profile. So I can see the total number, how many of those total are online, and then it breaks it down student by student. So you can see student name, if they're offline or online, and the last time they were seen. So this will tell you if they're engaging with the platform. The last tab is your recordings tab. Anytime you record a live virtual session, it will push that file directly to your dashboard right here. So if you want to access it, you can grab it immediately upon landing on your dashboard. It will say the class name, date, time, the duration, and then it'll give you a few options. You can play it back, you can save it to your Google Drive if you use Google Drive, or you can copy the link so you can send that over in a message to your students. It will also give you the number of attendees you have. The other great thing, which you'll learn in another video about gathering student data, is in your assessments and assignments, it'll tell you if there's attention needed. If you have any students that haven't completed their assessment or assignment on time, you'll see a red dot here with the number of students that need attention. This is really great for you as a teacher so that you have the data you need to have an intervention or speak with that student. So that's the center of the page. Those are activities and assets you have. If you go to the top, there's a lot more options up here to access the many different resources you need. Manage courses is where you're going to build content. You can build courses, lessons, assignments, assessments, and questions that you can attach to your assignments and assessments. Manage learners is all about your students. You can build classes, small groups or whole group classes, and you can access your student list. Manage connections. If you want to connect and message with your students, parents, and coaches, you can do that directly from the Connect Center. If you want to manage your integrations, right now you can import any assets you have in Google Classroom, lessons, assignments. You can click here and you can import those assets. And if you want to invite friends to be a part of the platform, you can click that button. Here at the top, you have some really important buttons. Dashboard will always bring you back to this screen. We like to think of this dashboard screen as your home base or your home room. So anytime you need to get back to the screen, you simply click dashboard, it'll bring you back here. Scheduled sessions is where you can manage your scheduled sessions. So if you go in here, you can see all of your scheduled sessions and you can manage those. Again, if I want to go back to my dashboard, I click dashboard. This 0 here represents any messages or notifications you have. So you might see responses to whole group messages you've sent to your class in there, or you might see a notification of a student that's requesting for you to be their teacher. So if you have a message or a notification of that type, you'll see this turn into a number 1, 2, however many messages or notifications you have. Lastly, you can also edit and configure your profile. So it has my name. If you want a picture, you can view your profile, edit, change password, or log out here. And if you want to go back to the Sway 360 Learning homepage, you can click this button on the top left. So this is your dashboard. That's how you navigate it. Quick overview. Again, you'll learn more about each of those features and resources and other videos. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a fantastic day.